QuickBooks versus Zoho Books. Choosing the right accounting software can completely change how you manage your business finances without the usual headaches. Both offer powerful tools but differ in features and target users. QuickBooks and Zoho Books are two leading accounting solutions designed to simplify financial management. The core difference lies in QuickBooks' extensive ecosystem and advanced features versus Zoho Books' affordability and seamless integration within the Zoho suite. QuickBooks is a comprehensive accounting software developed by Intuit, widely used by small to mid-sized businesses. It offers robust features including invoicing, expense tracking, payroll, tax filing, and detailed financial reporting. QuickBooks operates on both desktop and cloud platforms, allowing users to access data anytime. Its strength lies in its scalability and extensive third-party app integrations, making it suitable for businesses anticipating growth or needing complex accounting functions. The software automates many accounting tasks, reducing manual errors and saving time. However, QuickBooks can be relatively expensive, especially for advanced plans, and may have a steeper learning curve for beginners. Ideal users include businesses that require detailed financial oversight, need payroll management, or want a solution that grows with their operations. QuickBooks also offers strong customer support and a large user community, making troubleshooting easier. Zoho Books is a cloud-based accounting software designed for small businesses and freelancers. It focuses on simplicity and ease of use while covering essential accounting functions such as invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and GST compliance. Zoho Books integrates seamlessly with other Zoho products like Zoho CRM and Zoho Inventory, providing a unified business management experience. Its intuitive interface and affordable pricing make it accessible for startups and small teams. While Zoho Books offers solid automation and multi-currency support, it may lack some advanced features found in QuickBooks, such as comprehensive payroll management or extensive third-party integrations. Limitations include fewer customization options and a smaller ecosystem. Zoho Books is ideal for businesses looking for cost-effective accounting with straightforward features, especially those already using Zoho's suite of applications. It excels in delivering essential accounting tools without overwhelming complexity. Comparing QuickBooks and Zoho Books depends on business size and needs. QuickBooks excels in complex accounting scenarios, offering advanced payroll, tax handling, and a vast app ecosystem, making it suitable for growing businesses needing detailed financial control. In contrast, Zoho Books provides a streamlined, budget-friendly option with essential features and tight integration with Zoho apps, perfect for small businesses and freelancers focused on simplicity and cost efficiency. QuickBooks' higher price and learning curve may deter smaller users, while Zoho's limited advanced features might not satisfy larger companies. For example, a startup may benefit more from Zoho Books' ease of use and affordability, whereas a mid-sized company with payroll needs will find QuickBooks a better fit. Both offer cloud access, but QuickBooks provides more scalability, while Zoho Books shines in integration and user-friendly design. Choose QuickBooks if your business needs advanced accounting features, payroll support, and scalability to grow without switching software down the line. Opt for Zoho Books if you want an affordable, easy-to-use accounting solution with strong integration within the Zoho ecosystem. It's ideal for small businesses and freelancers who prioritize simplicity and essential features without the complexity or cost of larger platforms.